Hello friend, my name is Marta Afriyani from class 9B. So this time I'm going to make sausage fried rice. Okay, let's make it. The materials we need: 4 spring onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 chilies, 1 egg, 1 sausage, soy sauce to taste, salt to taste, seasoning flavor chicken, 1 cucumber, fried oil to taste, and 1 plate of rice. The tools we need: frying pan, spatula, plate, tablespoon, bowl for whisking eggs, and fork. Okay, how to make? Mind the onion, garlic, and chili that have been prepared. Yeah, and spices are smooth. And so, after that, turn on the stove and heat the oil. After the hot oil, add the fish that we have mashed and salt until fragrant. Put in the egg and salt. Okay. After that, enter the sausage that have been cut into fish. Do not forget to put 1 plate of rice and stir until evenly distributed with the fish. Do and the salt and chicken flavoring to taste. Fill until evenly distributed and add enough soy sauce. Then stir until the rice and soy sauce are well blended. Finally, put some cucumber that has been cut into small pieces as decoration. Okay, the finished fried rice is ready to be served.